In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android voice command. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, voice command issues are frequently caused by the handoff between the classic Google Assistant and the newer Gemini AI. Updates have also occasionally silenced the wake word trigger during any transition you might have. So, what you want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right, go over to your settings application, and then from here, go over and swipe down all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see apps as one of the options. Then go to choose default apps. Once you go ahead and click on that, tap digital assistant app, which is going to be the third option in my instance. And then just ensure where it says digital assistant app, go ahead and click on it. Then you can choose what you want. So ensure that Gemini or Google is selected, obviously, if you want to use that. And then, you can change specific settings for that within the application itself. And yeah, it's basically as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. If that doesn't work though, what you could also do is go back all the way back to settings and then go over and find apps again, and then find your assistant. So just find let's say the Google app, go ahead and click on that, or Gemini, for example, and then go over and I'm just going to enable it, go to storage, and then clear the cache as well. And then just do the exact same thing for Google. So go to Google, go to storage, and then clear the cache over here as well. And things should be running properly. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.